Yeah, it often depends on the company and the maturity of the company around delivering massive projects. A mature company will have a clear kind of governance structure in place, and they'll have a clear set of decision points, gates and things. They'll have a set of requirements for each of those different gates that need to be complied with before the project can move forward. And so there should be a lot of checks and balances in place as the project progresses through the different phases of development and delivery. That doesn't always happen, unfortunately. But I would say, in terms of the project delivery itself, what's important is to get the right operating model. So when I talk about operating model, it's a description of how the project is being delivered, and that needs to be adapted to each of those different phases. One of the key considerations of the operating model is your contracting procurement model. So, how much are you relying on the supply chain? So, consultants, suppliers, the contractors, external stakeholders, that could be utilities companies, it could be other government bodies. How much are you willing to push risk outside of your company when you're delivering the project? And that's a key consideration. So there are companies who would rather build quite a big internal capability for developing and delivering mega projects. They're generally more the kind of the bigger global companies that are doing lots of these around the world. So they'll have like their own internal delivery capability for mega projects and major projects. A lot of kind of more mature juniors who want to become mid-tiers or mid-tiers might have a much leaner owners team, and they will push a lot of the work out into the supply chain or into external bodies to deliver on their behalf. So again, it's more about risk, like how much risk is the owner willing to take on, and how much does it really want to kind of push out into that supply chain.